Hi students, good evening everybody. In the previous class, we started doing solutions of ML Aggarwal exercise 13.1 from limits, right? So let us continue the same topic. Look at this question. Limit of x cube minus 4x square plus 4x upon x square minus 4. Look at this solution. Limit of x tends to 2, x cube minus 4x square plus 4x upon x square minus 4 equal to. Now first what should you do? We have to substitute the limit, right? In the place of x, substitute 2. That means 2 cube, 4 into 2 square, 4 into 2 upon 2 square minus 4. So surely you will get 0 by 0, right? Once see 8 minus 16 plus 8. So 16 minus 16, 0 by 0, right? What do you call this form? Indeterminate form, right? 0 by 0. Whenever we get this type of form, we have to proceed with the next procedure. I will take again the given limit. X cube minus 4x square plus 4x upon x square minus 4. Now what should you do? Take x common in the numerator. Can I take like that? X you take common. So if I take x here, what is remaining? X square minus 4x plus 4 upon it can be written as x square minus 4 can I write as 2 square? 2 square also 4, right? Limit of x tends to 2. Now I am going to factorize the numerator here. Can I write x minus 2 whole square this? If you expand a minus b whole square, you will get x minus 2 whole square, right? X minus 2 whole square. Is that clear? X square minus 4x plus 4, right? Upon this can I write a plus b into a minus b? A plus b into a minus b. Since a square minus 2ab plus b square can be written as a minus b whole square, and a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Algebraic formula. We can cut here, one can be cancelled. So remaining I am writing limit of x minus 2 upon x plus 2. Now you can substitute the value. In the place of x keep 2 into. Whenever we start substituting, do not write the limit again. 2 into 2 minus 2 upon 2 plus 2. So here 2 minus 2 0. 0 by something 0. So therefore step compulsory. X cube minus 4x square plus 4x upon x square minus 4 equal to 0. So the final answer is 0. Right? This is the way we have to calculate. So after completing differentiation, the next topic, whenever we get this type of forms, it is very easy to solve this type of problems by using L'Hospital's rule. Okay, that will be told later. Just you follow this procedure, right? Hope it is clear. Second question, let us see. See the second question. Limit x tends to 2, x cube minus 2x square by x square minus 5x plus 6. So as usual, first what should you do? Substitute the limit 2 cube 2 into 2 square upon 2 square 5 into 2 plus 6. So 8 minus 8 0 by 0, indeterminate form, right? Indeterminate form. What should you do? We have to proceed with another method. Limit x tends to 2, x cube minus 2x square upon x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to limit x tends to 2, take x common, x square minus 2x. Can we take x square common directly? X square is there, so x minus 2 will come, right? By this I will take factorization here, 3 2's I will take. Since we have minus 5 here, minus 3 minus 2. Everybody knows the factorization of splitting middle term. So this minus 5x can be written as minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Hope it is clear. 6 means 3 2's are 6. Minus 3 minus 2 I am taking minus 3 into minus 2. It is positive 6, right? Limit of x tends to 2. X square into x minus 2 upon, take x common here, x minus 3 minus 2 common, x minus 3. So limit x is tending to 2, x square into x minus 2 upon x minus 3 into x minus 2. Okay? So x minus 2 gets cancelled. So what is remaining? Limit x tends to 2, x square upon x minus 3. Now we can put the value of limit. In the place of x keep 2, 2 square upon 2 minus 3. 4 upon minus 1 means minus 4. Therefore, what is my answer here? Limit x tends to 2, x cube minus 2x square upon x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to minus 4. That is the final answer. Therefore step is very very important here for the problems. Don't forget to write therefore step. Clear? Thank you.